My name is Jenny. I am 20 years old. I live with my father, my stepmother, and my stepsister Anna. My mother passed away when I was very young. My father loved me, but when he married again, everything changed. My stepmother does not like me. She loves Anna very much. Anna is lazy. She does not help in the house. She spends her time playing games, talking to friends, or shopping online. But my stepmother gives her new clothes, jewelry, and the best food. I, on the other hand, do all the work. I clean the house, cook, wash clothes, and go to the market. I carry heavy bags of groceries and water for the house. I am always tired, but I do not complain. My stepmother never thanks me. Sometimes I feel invisible. When I turned 18, my stepmother started talking about finding a boyfriend for Anna. Anna is grown up now, she said. She must meet nice boys. Wear your best dress and go to the school fair. The boys will notice you, and we will choose a good one for you. I felt nervous. My father heard her. He said, Jenny, you can go too. Maybe someone will like you as well. I asked my stepmother, can I wear a new dress? My old one is dirty and small. She laughed. A new dress? No, Jenny, you have old clothes. Wear that and go. Your sister is waiting. At the fair, Anna wore a beautiful white dress and gold necklace. I wore my old faded dress. My heart sank. No one will notice me, I thought. I walked behind her quietly, but then I saw him, a young man with a friendly smile. He looked at me and said, Hello, what is your name? I felt surprised. Jenny, I said quietly. You are very kind, he said. I like the way you help everyone. My stepsister frowned and said, We must go now. Mother is waiting. She pulled me away, but the young man smiled at me again before leaving. The next week, my stepmother had a plan. Anna, wear Jenny's old dress. Jenny will wear your beautiful dress, she said. I felt nervous. Will this work? I thought. But I had no choice. We went to the fair again. This time, I wore Anna's beautiful dress. I put on the necklace too. When we arrived, everyone noticed me. People smiled and some whispered, Who is she? She looks so beautiful. The young man came to me. You are amazing, he said. I want to meet your family. Can I visit your home? My stepsister was angry. She said nothing, but I could see her jealousy. My stepmother looked unhappy too. A few days later, my stepmother asked me to go to the park to collect flowers for decoration. I felt a little afraid, but I went. While walking, I slipped on wet grass and hurt my leg. I could not walk home. I felt scared and alone. I called the young man. He came quickly and helped me. He carried me home. He brought food and medicine, and every day he visited until I got better. I felt so thankful. My heart was full of hope. At home, my father finally noticed how hard I worked. He said, Jenny, I am proud of you. You are brave, kind, and strong. I smiled and felt happy inside. Meanwhile, my stepsister and stepmother tried to make life difficult. They ignored me and said bad things about me to others, but I did not care. I focused on my work and studies. The young man and I became close friends. We spent time together, talking, laughing, and helping each other. I realized I loved him. He cared for me more than anyone else. He noticed my efforts, my kindness, and my heart. One day, my father organized a small family gathering. My stepmother tried to make Anna look perfect and me look small. But when the young man arrived, he only smiled at me. He said, "Jenny, I want to be with you. I like you for who you are." I felt happiness I had never felt before. My father smiled. "Jenny, you deserve all the good things in life," he said. Finally, after many months, the young man asked me to marry him. I said yes. We had a small, beautiful wedding. My father was there, proud and happy. My stepsister and stepmother were quiet, but I did not mind. Now, I am happy. I have a loving husband, a caring father, and I am respected for who I am. Life is not always easy, but I know that being kind, brave, and patient can change everything. I learned that true love and happiness come to those who never give up, even when life is unfair. My name is Margaret Hayes. I am 60 years old. I live alone in a small, quiet house in Portland, Oregon. Many years ago, my husband left